Hi everyone, Sean Wassell here. Probably one of the biggest questions I get asked by people who are already familiar with React and basic full stack concepts is how do I add user authentication to my applications in the quickest and most secure way possible? In other words, how do I add user authentication to my apps without all of that added complexity that generally comes along with it? Well, almost always my response to that question is two words: Firebase Auth. Firebase Auth is a service provided by Google that makes it incredibly easy to add user authentication to your applications without having to manage any of the difficult stuff yourself. And that's what we're going to be taking a look at here today. We're going to be seeing the basics of Firebase Auth and how to add it to a React application in order to allow ourselves to let our users log in. And we're also going to be seeing how to create routes that will only allow certain users to see the pages they contain. So without further ado, let's jump right in and see what all this stuff is going to look like.